I don't know what is the issue because they have not spoken to us, so they have not discussed with us. The project was inaugurated, and we have also not started using the kind of the road tail. Maybe we will start using it in a couple of days because we are also doing a trial run. Basically, I don't know what is the controversy. I think if it is about the gate which we have put, it's an entry point to the port. All the entry points to the port will have to be secured. So we are an ISPS compliant port where we follow the international guidelines to secure the. So all the entry points, if there are anything through which people can enter, there will be a gate. And the gate has two functions. It can be either closed or open. It is open today. So I don't know what is the controversy. We have not stopped anybody in using the road.
वो गेट रह के भी पब्लिक को छोड़ा जाएगा सर या उनको बंदी रहेगी, क्या इशू है?
See, it is not the public. What we have to understand is that project is a port connectivity project. The transportation is towards the port. There is a down ramp, there is an up ramp for the cargo movement to our Baina warehouse. If you have seen our Baina storage area, so whether people can go, that can be decided by the government of Goa through a proper kind of a traffic. Our concern is there are two concerns. One is related to port security. I think the CISF is also here. Any entry point to the port will have to have a gate. Because in times of emergency or in law and we'll have to close it. But then it will not be closed on a kind of a daily basis. How the traffic has to move, that the government of Goa has to tell us how the traffic should move, where will the traffic police be. And if you have seen the down ramp, up ramp and the Vasco ramp, you will also understand that there are chances of accident. We don't want anybody to get involved in an accident, or that accident should not interrupt our movement of traffic into the port. So we have not said, we have not controlled the access to any part of the road. And the up ramp is it is not a part of the NHAI project. It's a project of the port to take the cargo outside. So I don't really understand the controversy because nobody has discussed this with us. We have only seen reports in the newspaper. We normally don't respond to anything coming in the newspaper because so many things come in the newspaper. If we have something, then we will call you like this and we will discuss with you. So from our side, there is no controversy.